Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I will show you how you can display more than 256 characters in tooltip. So generally it is a limitation in the Power BI tooltip that you cannot display more than 256 characters, but using a simple hack what we can do is show the complete sentence. So what I have done is I have created this entire tooltip. It's a very simple text, like this is a tooltip that is specially made for display the tooltip text, or text for the tooltip cannot go beyond 256 characters, so on and so forth. You can read it, but it's some gibberish, right? Not exactly the tooltip that you may want to show, because that will be based on some business. But here, just as an example, a long text I have used. If I copy this and go back to my visualization over here, if I paste this, you will see that it won't show after a simple hack to DISP. This is where it is ending. Simple hack to DISP, and it is basically excluding everything which is coming from here. So this text is excluded, right? Also, if you see, if I hover my mouse over to this tooltip is specially made for display. So this is on the button that I am showing, as you can see. And in the format button, you need to enable the action, and then you can show the tooltip. So what do we need to do? Well, we need to create a measure. So first of all, I'll delete that. I will create a new measure and give it a name, long underscore tooltip. And then I will just give the entire tooltip over here, right? And click OK. Once you do that, you come over here, field based on format by field value, based on orders, and here is your long tooltip, and click OK. So once you click OK, you will hover your mouse over here, and now you will see that entire tooltip is displayed. So if you have a scenario where you want to display a very long tooltip and finding it really difficult to show it on your information button or anywhere where you need to show the tooltip, then you can basically use this quick hack by creating a measure and putting entire text in the measure and then selecting that newly created measure as a tooltip. So that's about what I wanted to show you. I will now meet you in the next video with a new topic.